I'm looking for that. Whoa. Whoa. Anyways. Hello. Welcome back to our channel. Thank you all for stopping by. To our existing subscribers, thank you so much for subscribing and commenting and sharing your feedback to us, to encouraging us and also motivating us. If you're a first time, hi, nice to see you here. Welcome on board. And while you're here, why not just click on that nice subscribe and that bell icon to get more updates and share our content with your friends and help us grow. Well, today I have something really cool, and the best part is about this thing over here is this is first time on YouTube. I did extensive research on YouTube to see if there is an unboxing of this, and I didn't find it. So You Like Trails is the first channel to unbox this scale model. Yes, it's a scale model. Yes, we are back with aviation. Enough of cars. I think we're going to give a break to the cars, but I think there's something else next that's going to be unboxed. But this is a little special. Why? This is an airline, Indian airline, not Indian Airlines. It's an Indian carrier. And this is something which I've been hunting for this for a long time and finally got it. Now I'm going to shut up and let's see what we have in 3, 2, 1. There we go. Look at this, people. Vistara's Boeing 787-9 1:400 scale model, flaps down. So there are two variants of this, all right? The one with its flaps that is downwards, and the second one is the flaps in the normal state. So I have been hunting for this like crazy, and wow. This is a dream finally that has come true to me, that I was able to get this. So here we go. Let's just quickly go through this. This is official license from Boeing. Isn't this a fantastic one? Oh, I can't wait. It's heavy, so I'm sure this is a metal one piece which is not a snap-on. So let's go slow on the unboxing and check it out. Isn't this awesome? Do I dare say sexy? All right, nice. I like the way it is packed airtight. So even if I drop it, it still stays. Please stay. All right, isn't this a beauty? Yeah. So while I am talking and doing this video, I'm also clicking on this icon over here to take some pics as well. So let's quickly one out of the way. Oh, sorry. Yes, this is also out of the way. All right, let's easy, steady. Wow, it's got weight. Let me take this out. So here we go. Vistara Dreamliner. Lovely. Okay, quick notification. The flaps don't look down. The flaps are in normal state. So which means it's not the flaps down. Oh, okay, my bad. So there are two variants. One is the flaps down, one is not the with the flaps in normal. So we got this, not this. How could I be so stupid? Anyways, I'm okay with it. Yeah, sometimes it's good. Blah blah blah. So check it out. This beauty. Look at, okay, steady on that. Yeah, come on, give me the engines. Look at those fins. Isn't that a beauty? You also have the attention detail to the lights, the landing lights. This is a one-piece Dreamliner, so everything is fit. Boeing 787-9 Vistara. Look at the attention to the engine. So you know this is a Dreamliner because of the signature on the engine cowls. So this is a beauty. So we have the tag VT TSE. We have the antennas. We have the internet com. So this is pretty good. And you know what? It's got weight. It's heavy. I love this. This looks like a 1:400 scale, but it feels like this is a 1:200 to be very honest. But I love it. I love the way it is detailed. I love everything about this aircraft. Okay, just a quick, let's see how much I can zoom in. Here we go. This is a beauty. So let me see if I can just bring this into frame slowly, easy, don't go out of focus. And now from the top, I'm just going to shut up because I don't want to ruin this moment. And I'm very nervous the way I hold it because I don't want to drop it. I'll be the first person and the first on YouTube who dropped the Vistara. Just love this. Isn't this amazing? Just soak up the moment. Lovely. That wingspan, the way it is designed. Amazing stuff. Well, the hunt continues. So this is the Vistara. Please give us a like, share and subscribe to our channel. We really love this, and let me know if I have to get, if you want to see me unbox the flap down version of this, and we can, let me see if I can source that. But amazing. I just love this. This is really good. So please do like, share and subscribe to our channel, and the next hunt is on for a Go Air, and we are still looking for the ATR versions of the SpiceJet, the Indigo Airlines, and yes, Indigo Airlines. Now I do have one. I'm going to showcase that shortly, and I'm looking for the Sharklet Wings version. So the Sharklet Wings are the ones which has the protrusion in the top. So I'm looking for that. Whoa, whoa. Anyways, so I'm looking for that version of the Indigo Airlines. So if anybody has a source of the Sharklet Wings version of the Indigo Airlines, please let me know, because I am looking desperately for that. Or if anybody has a Go Air 1:400 or 1:200, please let us know, because we are looking to add a Go Air into our lineup. Surprisingly, speaking of lineup, the AirAsia Neo 320 that we did an unboxing has got a lot of views compared to the Air India ATR, and the SpiceJet and the Jet Airways has got decent views, but the AirAsia has got pretty good views. Now I'm really interested to see how many views can we get for the Vistara. I'm looking for at least 2000 views for the Vistara Airlines. So based on that, we can definitely look at other airlines as well and start doing it. And we are Indian, so we are looking at Indian carriers alone, but there can be room for international carriers as well. But as of now, the focus is on Desi carriers, as we call it, the Indian carriers or the domestic carriers. So we want to go with Indians first, and then we will look at the rest of the world. So until then, enjoy the Vistara Airlines that we have. I think next we will try to see if we can get the Singapore Airlines as well and do a A380 or maybe a 320 Neo or a Dreamliner. Let's see if that is possible. But the focus is now, next is the hunt is on for a Go Air, and then we need to hunt for an Indigo Airlines Sharklet Wings. Thank you all. Enjoy the video that is going to come on a 360 on the Vistara coming now.